Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is an exceptionally clean 2004 Sea Ray 390 motor yacht. This is a diesel-powered boat, inboards, diesel generator, as well as bow thruster. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the options. The 390 motor yacht's been a very popular boat for someone who wants to do, long-range cruising, maybe do the loop, or basically wanting a floating condo. Lots and lots of room to it. The boat's been professionally detailed about every 6 months since they've owned it. As we come up inside here, beautiful cockpit air conditioning. Let me back up a little bit. You can board the boat from the port or starboard side. I'll do a little walk around here. Very easy to get to the front of the boat. Very high bow rails all the way around. Of course, we've got our windlass and a spotlight up here. Up on the hardtop, we've got our open array GPS. Also has chart plotter, autopilot, and I'll get to that in just a second. But nice sunscreen here, and as you can see here on our port side, you can also get off the vessel here. But inside here, the carpeting has actually never been used. It's actually over here, but it gives you a lot of seating back here. Great for entertaining. It's very high, so you don't get that claustrophobic type of feeling. This is our cockpit air conditioning that you hear running right here. This one has twin Raymarine units. It's got a new autopilot, new depth finder, smart craft gauges. As you can see, the vinyls are in nice shape. Cockpit's in very nice shape, as you can see here. Vinyls are clean on the outside of the boat. Water beads up very nicely. The boat was just professionally buffed, waxed, and cleaned, I believe in April. But here's what's nice about it. Huge salon. When you go down here, you've got your recliners here on the port side, starboard side. Nice couch right there. You've got your TV. Plenty of room here in the galley. Also, it's a separate separate floor plan. So if you have guests coming in the boat, let me jump into that. You can have your guest up here, which is very nice, and lots of room inside here. This is going to be your head right here. Also counts as a day head. You have the fully enclosed shower. Nice galley layout, full refrigerator, microwave, oven, lots of storage and stuff. So if you're doing longer trips, this one also has a washer dryer that's underneath here. Woodwork's in very nice condition, very clean. This is inside here is going to be your main distribution for air conditioner, 120 volt system, 12 volt systems. This is where we turn on generator and things like that. But a full beam master. This is what a lot of people like about the boat, especially if you're going to use it for extended trips, liveaboard type thing. Tons of room back here. So you have a separate shower on your port side. On the left side. On the right side, there's your head right there, and a nice little sink. But lots and lots of storage all the way around. So that's what people really like about this, is a split floor plan and a huge full beam master. So everything is in very good condition. The boat's located at MarineMax in Palm Island, about 15 minutes north of Boca Grande. So it's also online, MarineMax.com, if you'd like some additional information, or feel free to give me a call. But to recap, Jeremy Bradshaw, MarineMax in Venice, 2004 Sea Ray 390 motor yacht, Cummins diesel power, thruster diesel generator. Exceptionally nice condition for the boat. So if you'd like some more information, give me a ring, 941-376-3345. Thank you again for taking the time. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.